Only attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Gage statements. Him say him no know where the fighter come from. Then him must say yes, him do know where the fighter come from. Him say from Vybz Kartel, him say him just don't know why. And him say him now continue for big up the artist, and the artists are fighting. Well, first and foremost, let me say this. First, the family is part of Gage's fighting career. Now you must say Vybz Kartel, but put this into your mind. How much juggling rhythms has Vybz Kartel been featured on since the year start? The teacher is on a Grammy mission. He might work on some exclusive singles. Certain rhythm of the teacher is featured on as some exclusive. And the producers we might work with is a limited number of producers. And I have anybody the teacher work with. Let's just put that into mind. And also recently, we see the teacher, your project to Sweet Music. And think about it. Sweet Music has worked with individuals where them actually say things about the teacher in a public. These are not fans of the teacher. Well, they are fans of the teacher, but you know, placing themselves as the opposition to remain relevant. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hear what Gage have to say, and then we will continue reading. Viewers and subscribers want to look, and yes, we want to listen.
That man telling me, say real people now have a lot of friends, brother. I hear what? I now go play dumb like some man in a dog. You know, I go bench me, half a rhythm and do certain things, and I'm still there, so big up, you know, no dog. I now say you no can't bench me for no rhythm, because bad man, I can't have a build rhythm. I feel no rhythm. But you say if you don't take me off for a rhythm because you know, say, yo, Gage, you know, so that song you're not going to cut it. No overs. But you see me one time, I'm going to get take off a rhythm, dog, and I'm going to tell me, say, yo, teacher say.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, that was Gage and his statements. Does his statement have merit? I can't say that. I can't agree with Gage and none of what he say, viewers and subscribers. First and foremost, it not present to us any proof. This is just his statement that said the teacher. Yo, really and truly, you know, some people they even remember Gage in a dancehall music, you know. And I will say this is an artist that I have listened to. But when we say this too, Gage is a confused artist. You have to have one conviction, determination, and willpower. And these are things that I feel like Gage a lack. Now, you have to make a decision, and you have to choose right decisions to make. Gage said down in your throat and make the people and tell him to stop singing it. And I say, yo, him not really feel like the song right. Then why you write the song and perform it? Him say, I the people did want and producers or management that tell him say, yo, to make a decision, then him say him do it based upon that. But isn't that the story of every artist? Bounty say him never want to make the type of song them like where him not put out. But him say that the fans did want. And he make the music. And like your song did go low. If you had the song they go low like when Alkaline say yo brata, then that would be a different scenario. But you never go low. So why you say yo that type of music that we put out was not you and Ray? You make that tag for bringing the Rasta image where you forward with. When you decide say you go stop bleach and forward in the Rasta image. And I sing some conscious song and drop some freestyle. But it no work. You forward back now and say it. Tune up that image and start give the people what they want. And you go cool wine and some Ray and it work for you. Now, your problem is you don't know which direction for going on with your career. And you feel like say it is easier to blame another individual and say, alright, other person that make me not reach now. I'm surprised. You not tell me say, yo, Chris Gale they make you a boss. Surprised. You not say Chris Gale. Well, you say a teacher fight your career. Well, that are your statements. We are the proof. Why would the teacher even fight your career? You are not a dominant artist. If the teacher now fight Alkaline career, why am I gonna fight Gage? Gage? No, not Gage. What are everybody? What are every other artist? Some artists are call the teacher name. Truth and in fact, at this point in time, we can say this. Intense have a bigger name than the streets now than Gage. intents of a bigger vehicle. When do forget the vehicle is a reason for a different topic, I will not talk about that, yes. But we can point out this. Statistics will show say, yo, there is no Gage song streaming or trending currently. And trending for the youth. That's why me use that. And I said, and because we have nothing with trending. A gold platinum plaque status, we don't know. We have already showed dancers, watch, you know. Our standard is different. We are on a new level, like we ASAP Ferg did say. But continue with the reasoning. Trending for the youth. As a young dancehall artist, why isn't it? Why not a song a trend? Why not a freestyle out? Not a beats out? Remember, if you can't get rhythm from producer out here, you can buy your own beat. You can take your career into your own hands. You decide to manage yourself, then why not buy or purchase your own beats? Voice your tracks and get somebody to mix and master it. And put your own music out there. No, excuse ya look, Gage. No, and as somebody always say, is an artist say, me listen to. Me realize say, try substitute work ethic with excuses. That's my statement. I feel like you try use excuses in place of work ethic. If you put out music, fam, the people not listen to you. You know when them stop listening to you? When you stop with them music for listen to. Keep that in mind. The fans will listen to you until you stop giving them music to listen to. And that is what you have done. I know you say about the teacher too. Because recently I see you have a video for your IG. You cook Sunday, you feed up the rear while you cook the food. No, you don't. I see it. You see it and not say nothing. You see it and not say nothing. Why for that movie? And right now we see I call Vybz Kartel me. But try to seek some form of relevance. I don't know if somebody tell us, yo, you know what? This can be your only window into dancehall music again. But you know what you just do a while ago? You just paint a picture yourself. You just paint a picture yourself. I know what people are saying. People are saying, but wait, come like Gage a clown. And that they must say, no? They must say, come like Gage a clown. We are look somebody for blame him situation span. Because remember, everybody remembers that Tommy Lee Sparta at one point in time you said a fight a career. Until you realize about wait, Tommy Lee Sparta not see him. No. And then we realize he had their own thing and you know pay him no mind. And people even at one point in time stop. Consider you as somebody who sound like Tommy Lee Sparta and they must say Gage sound like Gage. And Tommy Lee sound like Tommy Lee. With that alone, you know, that was your signal to say, alright, move forward in the dancehall music and give them music. Just like give them music. No, but you want them artists to get caught up in the hype. Yeah, you upper Chris Gale them house and forget son you're go foreign as we say. And forget say yo, you know there's upon musical prowess. Meaning son your talent doing yourself. Or your links get you in America. But while there, why not use the opportunity for drop songs on them, man? Gage, put out music and stop put out statement. Nobody follow Alkaline them. You don't have no career at the point in time now if you can do that. The only reason why we're there start discussing is because you call teacher name. And you know this. Get up and talk about anybody else. Recently you talk about Massacre. Get up on a campaign with people name. You know? You campaign with people name for fame. It not gonna work. That not gonna work. We are talking about songs. We are talking about lyrical content. We are talking about music with substance. That's how we are talking about. These are the factors that will be factored in. You know, we discuss you and your, well, we can't even say career now, but we can say you and your musical endeavors. Now, we can state it that way there. Your musical endeavors, which is minuscule, I would say. You know what I mean? I don't feel like say, yo, yeah, do that much in the game. But I would say this. You are an artist, so I did see potential in a meaning set. In your talent, in your craft. You are the one of the first country artists I found out. You know. You had the music as a country artist long before Javalani them, long before the Six them, long before all the other artists them from country where them in that know. As a matter of fact, you are one of the country artists them left country and come to town and say they have to do it. And when them other country artists do, I tell you, say no, them never have left town. At different reasons make all other country artists left town. They feel like squash. Left town because left country because of musical reasons. No, a different reason make him left from much for him to reach for father town. No left town, left from country to come at town with me. Wipe on the come, father town. A different reasons make him do that. All of these other artists, writing them, everybody would different. They are different places now. Them get them exposure from right where they were. And when them use them talent for do is, me that say it has been groundbreaking. Because of the Six Movement, Javelin them, Chronic Law of course. You name the names of artists apart from the countryside. The whole sound of dancehall music has changed. You catch it pre? The whole sound of dancehall music has changed. You have all dancehall artists based at town. Born and raised, Jubilee baby them. If you hear them sing a beat, catch it pre and you see play and you see so them attack. You that one that wish parish in a country them far from. But the town them live. It's just that are the dominant style and that are the dominant style right now. So people are trying to incorporate it in them slangs. So that's a Gage. Other odds have outshined you and the fight we are talking about is non-existent. And this is no excuse. Your campaign with name for fame, it now go work. Wrong name I call to. Vybz Kartel, wrong name. And they as a teacher, make sure it's a big up. Don't use a teacher name for fame. No, Gaza Nation not gonna make that happen. You know what I mean? We won't let it slide. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent. And yes, I'm reminding you now. Subscribe icon, bell icon, drop a like, comment section open. Subscribe, remember man. Drop your thoughts and comment in the comment section. Be respectful and mindful of your guidelines. But other than that, we can continue reading this. Yeah man, now move settings from we don't need no ladder. No, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until the reason again.